I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 in the GT specification. So this is our current demonstrator. It's got this lovely panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, there's front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with heated front seats. The large touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get the Focal premium sound system. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. The car's also got some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.